Android 16 is dropping soon with a stunning new look and killer features. Want to see what's coming? Stick with GadInsider. This is next level. What's good, tech fam? Welcome back to GadInsider. Google is gearing up to launch Android 16 by June 2025, and it's packing a redesigned interface, slick quick settings, and visual upgrades that'll blow you away. Let's dive into the details and why this update's a must-have. According to sources, Android 16 is bringing a major glow-up. The quick settings panel gets a full redesign with material-free expressive design, think bolder colors, and smoother animations. You'll also see a waveform icon in the volume slider that pulses when audio plays, adding a fresh vibe. The Settings app is revamped for easier navigation, and AI mode access is expanded with advanced features like smarter Gemini integration. Google is aiming for a July stable release, faster than Android 15's rollout. Why is Android 16 a big deal? It's all about user experience. The redesigned quick settings make tweaking Wi-Fi or brightness lightning fast. The visual upgrades scream premium, especially on Pixel 10 or upcoming Galaxy Z Fold 7. Plus, enhanced AI means your phone's smarter. Think better voice commands and app suggestions. Fans on X are hyped for the cleaner look, although some Samsung users worry about One UI 8 delays. With Android 16, Google is setting the pace for 2.5 billion devices. Want Android 16? Pixel users, you'll likely get it first in July. Check for Beta 4 now if you're in the Android beta program. Samsung fans, One UI 8 based on Android 16 drops with the Galaxy Z Fold 7 in July. Update your device and follow GadInsider for hands-on reviews and tips when it lands. Marked June 9th for the Google I/O 2025, where Android 16's full reveal is expected. Stay ahead of the curve. That's the buzz on Android 16, GadInsider fam. Are you stoked for the new quick settings or waiting for a Samsung spin? Drop your thoughts in the comments, smash that subscribe button, hit the bell, and share this video to stay in the tech loop.